Okay, so let's just jump right in. Have you ever been scrolling online and stumbled upon one of those amazing 2D documentary videos? You know the ones. They have millions of views. Well, today we are pulling back the curtain, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can create them yourself. And the best part? We're using a full suite of completely free AI tools to do it. And when I say viral, I really mean it. Just look at this. There's a channel using this exact style that pulled in 3.2 million views on a single video. And that was in just 2 months. The potential here is it's absolutely massive. And what's really wild is that this isn't some one-hit wonder. This is what we call an evergreen niche, which means your videos can just keep getting views for months or even years after you post them. So you're probably thinking, yeah, I'd love to do that, but I'm not an animator, right? That's the biggest hurdle for most people. But it's a hurdle you can totally bypass. You don't need to learn any complex animation at all. You just need the right process. And that process is what we're calling the AI production line. Think of it like a seamless step-by-step workflow that takes you from a totally blank page to a finished, polished, and viral-ready video. And it's all powered by AI that's freely available to everyone. So here it is. This is the entire roadmap. First, we'll find a viral topic. Then we'll write a killer script, which, by the way, is arguably the most important step of all. After that, we'll create the voiceover, generate all our visuals, edit it all together, and then finally, we'll tackle these super important bonus steps that'll help you get discovered. So let's get into it. First things first, we need a story. I mean, this is the foundation of your entire video. In this phase, we're not just using AI as a tool, we're actually using it as a creative partner to help us brainstorm ideas and write a really compelling narrative. Every single great video starts with a great topic. But we're not looking for some fleeting trend, okay? We want an evergreen idea, something people will be searching for weeks, months, and yeah, even years from now. That, my friends, is how you build a successful channel. And the process for this is incredibly simple. As you can see right here, all you need is a well-crafted prompt for ChatGPT. For instance, you could ask it something like, give me 10 evergreen historical documentary topics that would be visually interesting. And boom, in seconds, you'll have a list of powerful topics. Don't like them? Just type more. It's that easy. Okay, once you've picked your winning topic, it's time to write the script. Now, I want you to really lean in here because the script is the absolute soul of your video. A strong script can make even the simplest visuals feel incredibly powerful and engaging. For this critical step, we're going to use Claude AI. In my experience, it just produces more nuanced, better structured scripts, which is exactly what we need for that documentary feel. You just feed it your topic, tell it the length you want, say 5 minutes, and it will generate a complete, ready-to-use script for you. Okay, with our script totally locked in, it's time to bring it to life. In this next phase, we're going to transform that text into all the sights and sounds we need for our documentary. This is where the magic happens. For the voiceover, we'll be using Google AI Studio. Now, here's a key trick. Claude AI doesn't just write your script, it also gives you style instructions. You're going to paste those instructions into Google AI Studio right along with the script. This actually guides the AI's delivery, giving you a much more natural-sounding voiceover. It's a game changer. All right, we've got our audio ready, now we need visuals to match. And this is where the process gets really efficient. Instead of sitting there trying to write image prompts yourself, you're going to feed your entire script right back into ChatGPT. It will analyze it line by line and generate the perfect prompts for all the images and video clips you'll need. Okay, here's a crucial pro tip when you're using Visc.ii, which is a free text-to-image generator. After you create your first image, lock the seed number. This one simple step is the secret to getting a professional look, because it tells the AI to keep your characters and your art style consistent across all the next images. Don't skip this. Now for video clips, we'll use a tool called Flow AI. It's a text-to-video tool. Like a lot of these AIs, it works on a credit system, but you get free credits to start. To make those credits last as long as possible, you're going to want to choose the Vivo 3.1 Lite model. Honestly, it's more than good enough for this style, and it's by far the most efficient choice. So we have all our raw materials, the voiceover, the images, and the video clips. Now it's time for the final assembly. In this section, we're going to edit everything together and then prepare the video so it can actually get discovered by millions of people on YouTube. Editing can feel pretty intimidating, right? But with a free video editor like CapCut, we can break it down into just a few simple steps. First, you drop in your voiceover. That's going to be the foundation for your whole timeline. Next, you just layer your images and video clips on top, timing them to match what's being said. For that professional touch, add a simple black fade transition between your clips. And finally, find some royalty-free background music. Lower the volume so it's not overpowering, and your video's pretty much assembled. But creating a great video is only half the battle. Seriously. If no one can find it, it doesn't matter how good it is. That's where SEO comes in, search engine optimization. This is basically how you tell the YouTube algorithm exactly what your video is about so it can recommend it to the right viewers. And of course, AI can totally automate this whole process for you. With another custom prompt, you can get ChatGPT to analyze your script and generate optimized titles, a full video description, and a whole list of relevant tags. This saves you a ton of time and guesswork. It can even generate prompts for Gemini to create that high-impact must-click thumbnail. So there you have it, the entire production line, from a simple idea all the way to a fully optimized video. The big takeaway here is that the barrier to entry for creating high-quality video content has been completely, utterly demolished. All you need are the right tools and the right workflow. And here it is, your complete AI creator toolkit. We used ChatGPT for the ideas and SEO, Claude for that amazing script, Google AI Studio for the voice, Viscous, Flow, and Gemini for all our visuals, and CapCut to bring it all together. And the best part? Every single one of these tools is free to get started with. The technology's here. The process is all laid out for you. Everything you need to start creating is literally at your fingertips. So the only question left is the one you see right now. What story are you going to tell first?